Programming your RAM 1500 key fob involves pairing it with the truck's computer to enable keyless entry, push-button start, and remote start. The process varies slightly depending on the model year, starting from 2019 and your trim level. There are two primary methods: manual reprogramming and digital key pairing for newer models. For manual programming, you'll typically cycle the ignition or use button sequences on the fob to enter programming mode. Digital key pairing, available on 2024 and newer models, uses the Stellantis app to pair your smartphone via NFC or UWB, turning your phone into a virtual key. Always consult your owner's manual or a dealership for specific instructions related to your Ram 1500's model year. Trying this without guidance can void warranties or trigger security locks. Common issues during key fob programming include dead batteries, signal interference, and BCM glitches. Ensure your fob has a fresh battery and try programming in an area free from RF interference, like Wi-Fi routers. If manual programming fails, consider using the Stellantis diagnostic app for guided assistance. Looking ahead, the trend is towards digital keys and smartphone integration. Many RAM owners now use digital keys, and Stellantis plans to phase out physical keys in the future. Security enhancements like rolling codes and encrypted signals are becoming standard. Keep your Uconnect system updated to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Also consider using two-factor authentication in the app.